Hello guys, welcome back to another super fast tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to place any design on a t-shirt in Adobe Photoshop. So I've just added a photo to Photoshop and unlock your photo like this and select that layer. Then make a selection for your t-shirt using any selection tool. For now, I choose Quick Selection Tool. After selection, just press Ctrl and J buttons. It will create a new layer for the t-shirt. Now drag and drop your design to Photoshop. Press Ctrl and T buttons and adjust the design so that it covers the t-shirt completely. Then right-click on your design layer and select Create Clipping Mask and change the blending mode to Multiply. After that, right-click on your design layer and select Blending Options. Now hold Alt key and follow this to make your design perfect. Then click OK. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will reply as soon as possible. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.